Hello lovely student, welcome to Silence Classes e-learning platform. Today we are going to start the introduction part of chapter number 2, polynomials. Okay, I hope so all the previous videos of previous chapters you guys have watched. Okay, over there I have explained each and everything in the easiest manner possible. Okay, I used to explain each and everything, okay, regarding the chapter very in the easiest manner, okay, so you guys can understand and solve the equation by yourself. Okay, so first of all, this is the introduction part. After that I will do all the examples and the exercises. Okay, step by step we will move forward. Okay, so what is exactly a polynomial is? Okay, what is the definition of polynomial? If we will talk about the definition of the polynomials, a polynomial is an algebraic expression. It is like an algebraic expression, okay, consisting of variables. Like if we write it down, it is overwritten 3x square plus 2x minus 1. This is the example written over here. Okay, variable means it can be any alphabet like x, a, b, c, d. Okay, any alphabet can be written as variable. Okay, the number means there are terms means which is written over here is 3x square is the terms we used. Okay, so now you know that over here this is a variable. Okay, and this 3, okay, is this 3 is known as coefficient. Okay, and this is the coefficient of x square. Okay, if the question is asking write down the coefficient of x square, so you will write it down that 3 is the coefficient of x square. Okay, so if I will talk about like this is also a term. Okay, so 2x, if I will write it down that write down the coefficient of x, so what you will write it down, 2 is the coefficient of x. Okay, and 5 is the constant value. 5 is the constant value. Okay, one thing more I have to explain that polynomials, okay, cannot contain any power. Okay, the powers, okay, cannot be in negative. Okay, if the terms, or you can say it is written in the form of 3x minus 2 plus 2x minus 5, so we will say it is not a polynomial. Okay, because polynomials does not contain negative, okay, powers. Okay, so it is only a algebraic expression, but it is not a polynomial. Okay, now they are combined with addition, subtraction and multiplication. Okay, you guys can check it out that addition is also here, subtraction is also here, and multiplication between 3 and x. There is no sign, it means 3 is multiplied by x. Okay, I hope so you guys know that. Okay, so it can be of addition, subtraction and of multiplication. Okay, so this is the form. I'll write it down. I have written over here in the examples that 3x square plus 2x minus 5 and 7a cube b square plus 9c. It is also a polynomial. Okay, one important note that polynomials cannot have square roots of variables. Okay, fractional powers means the power cannot be in the form of fraction. Okay, it cannot be written in the form of 2x 1 upon 2. Okay, or 2y upon 2 upon 4. It cannot be written in this particular form. Okay, so and the negative powers cannot be there. Okay, negative powers I have already explained that 3x minus 2 minus 5 minus 2, okay, minus 6, negative power cannot be there in the polynomial. If the equation is written and it is written in minus, the power are in minus, so we will say that it is not a polynomial, it is only an algebraic expression. I hope so you guys understood that how we have to do the questions. Okay, now let's talk about types of polynomials. How many types of polynomials are there? On the basis of number of terms, there are 3 types of polynomials. Okay, first of all, first is monomial, second one is binomials, and the third one is trinomials. Okay, so guys, what is monomial is? Monomial is the term is a polynomial in which only one term is there. Okay, means whenever it is written 3x square, okay, comma 4x, comma 9y, comma 6x, all these are polynomials. All these are polynomials. Okay, and these are monomials. Okay, it is known as monomials because there are only one terms present in this polynomial. Okay, so what is binomials? Binomials, whenever there are 2 terms present in any expression, we can say that this terms, or we can say this expression is binomials. Like it is written 2x plus 4. Okay, so you guys can check that this one is the first term and this one is the second term. Okay, so whenever two terms are present in any expression, we can say that it is a binomials. Okay, I know you guys know each and everything, okay, but watch the introduction part completely. Okay, so you guys revise each and everything. Okay, so you guys can do each and every questions regarding this particular chapter by yourself. Okay, so this is the introduction part. I have explained briefly, okay, in the easiest manner possible, so you guys can understand each and every concept. Okay, so now we will talk about trinomials. Trinomials means three, wherever there are three terms written in any equation, okay, and it is asked that which type of polynomial it is, so you guys can say that it is a trinomials. Okay, for an example, 4x square plus 2x minus 9, you guys can check it out. There are one first term, this one is the second term, and this one is the third term. Okay, whenever three terms are there in the expression, you guys can check it out, okay, and say this is a trinomial. Okay, now we will talk about on the basis of degree, okay, that which type of polynomial it is. Okay, so first of all we will talk about what is exactly degree is. Okay, degree is the highest power of the given polynomial. Okay, means if the polynomial is given to us, that is 4x cube plus 2x square plus 9x plus 4, this is the cubic polynomial. How? You guys can check it out. What sort of degree means, if I will talk about that, tell me the degree of this given polynomial. Tell me the degree of this given polynomial. So we will say the degree is 3. Okay, the degree is the highest power of the given polynomial. Okay, first of all we will check it out that the given equation is polynomial or not. It is a polynomial because there is no negative sign. Okay, there is no fraction. Okay, power is there. Okay, so it is the equation which is given to us is the polynomial, and then we will find it out the highest degree. The highest degree is means the highest power, that is 3. So degree of this given polynomial is 3. Okay, so what is linear polynomial? Whenever there is a polynomial given to us like 7x plus 1. Okay, so we will check it out the variable. There is no power, it means there is 1 over here. Whenever there is the highest degree is 1 in the given polynomial, we will say that it is a linear polynomial. Okay, whenever the degree is 1, it is known as linear polynomial. Whenever the degree is given 2, means if this is the equation given to us, that is 2x square plus 9x plus 4, over here you guys can check it out, the highest degree is 2. Okay, so it is a quadratic polynomial. Okay, whenever the highest degree is 2, we will say it is a quadratic polynomial. Now what is the cubic polynomial? I have already told you, just like this, 9x cube plus 2x plus 9x plus 4. So you guys can check it out, the highest degree is 3 over here in this given polynomial, so we will say that it is a cubic polynomial. Okay, I hope so you guys understood that what I am trying to say. Means the highest degree of the given polynomial can clarify you that which type of a polynomial it is. Okay, on the basis of degree, Okay, now zero polynomial, whenever a polynomial where all the coefficients are zeros. Okay, when all the coefficients are 0, it is known as a zero polynomial. Okay, I hope so you guys understood that how you have to find it out. Okay, each and everything on the basis of degree. Now let's move to the next part. What is the zeros of the polynomial? Okay, means if the polynomial is given to us like 2x plus 5. Okay, so we have to find it out which type of polynomial it is. It is a linear polynomial. And if I will talk about in the on the basis of term, so which type of polynomial it is? On the basis of term. So on the basis of term, I have already told you that whenever there is two terms, it is a binomial. Yes, so it is a binomial polynomial. Okay, binomial. Okay, so what is the zero of the polynomial? Zero of the polynomial means what? So means on the place of x, in the place of x, what we have to put to make the equation equals to 0. Okay, means whatsoever value, you have to find it out that whatsoever value you will put in the place of x, okay, that should make this particular polynomial equals to 0. And how you will find it out the zeros of the polynomial? Now let's talk about that. So the given equation is 2x plus 5 is equals to 0. Okay, so we will write it down. 2x is equals to, we will send this 5 to the right hand side, it will become minus 5, and we will hold x over here, so we will write it on minus 5. Over here between 2 and x there is no sign, it means there is a multiplication sign. If I will move 2 to the right hand side, multiplication will convert into division, very good, upon 2. Means if I will put in the place of x, we will put minus 5 upon 2, it will become 0. Now let's check it out. 2x, x, instead of x what we have to write it down, multiplied by minus 5 upon 2 plus 5 is equals to 0. 2 or 2 we can cancel, minus 5 plus 5 is equals to 0, minus 5 we can cut, 0 is equals to 0. Okay, I hope so you guys understood. Means the 0 of the polynomial is that in the place of the given variable what we have to put to make that particular equation equals to 0. Okay, so to find it out you have to move the terms right hand side. Okay, so you can find it out that what is the value of x, y, z, whatsoever variable is given to you guys can find that particular variable. Okay, on that particular, on the given equation you have to put that term, okay, or you can say the values of that particular variable. Okay, you have to solve the equation and then you will get 0 equals to 0. Okay, if it will become 0 equals to 0, it means the given, this is the 0 of the polynomial. Okay, once we will do the questions you will understand each and everything, okay, in the better manner. Okay, so now what is the factorization of polynomial? What is the exactly factorization? If I will talk about the statement, the factor theorem state that if pa is equals to 0, okay, for a polynomial px, then x minus a is a factor of a polynomial. Okay, means if I will say px is equals to a, so we can say px, so we can move x over here, so it will become x minus a. Like this, over here I have written that x is equals to minus 5 upon 2, and if we have to find out the factors, or we can say factor of this polynomial, what we have to do, we have to move this to the right hand side, we have to move this to the right hand side, so it will become x plus 5 upon 2. So this is the factor, okay, of a polynomial. Okay, so from the 0, if we know the 0 of the polynomial, we can easily find it out the factors. Okay, I hope so you guys understood that how we have to find it out. If it is written over there that x is equals to 5, okay, means if we will place 5, okay, in the place of x, the polynomial will become 0. Okay, means 0 of the polynomial is 5. Okay, so if the given term is this and they are asking that find out the factors, find out the factor, so you will say, you will move this 5 to the left hand side, so it will become x minus 5. So this x minus 5 is the factor of that. Okay, like this you have to find it out. Okay, from the 0 you will get the factor of the given polynomials. Now let's move to the splitting the middle term. Okay, means by using the splitting the middle term, okay, basically we will use this particular formula on the trinomials. Okay, wherever there are 3 terms, okay, 1, 2 and 3 terms are given to us, then we will use this particular formula to solve the equation. Okay, how you have to solve it? It is written over here like 6x square plus 17x plus 5. Okay, so first of all what we have to do, we have to multiply this and this term. Okay, we have to multiply this term. 6 5s are 30, so we have to take LCM as 30 of 30. 2 15s are, 5 3s are and 3 1s are. So we will get 2 into 5 into 3. Now you have to check it out that whenever you will multiply these terms, or we can say these factors of 30, you will get 30. Okay, and whenever you will add, okay, you have to put the value in this particular manner that whenever you will add these, you will get 17. Okay, so 5 3 ja 15, 5 3 ja 15, and 15 2 ja 30, and 15 plus 2 is 17. Okay, so this is the middle term, means to once we will add these numbers, okay, or you can say prime factorization, we have to get 17. Okay, we have to put in this particular manner that we will get 17, and once we will multiply it, we will get 30, because 6 5s are 30, so we will get 30. So we can write it down 6x square plus 15x plus 2x plus 5. Okay, why? Because you guys can check it out, 15 plus 2 we will get 17, and 15 multiplied by 2 we will get 30. So we can take 3 as common, so we will get 2x square plus 3 5s are 15. We can take 3x as common, so 2x plus 5 we will get, and plus in the bracket what we will get 2x plus 5. So 2x plus 5 is already given over here, so we will take 1, okay, over here, because if I will multiply 2x plus 5 by 1, we will get 2x plus 5 only. Okay, so that's why we have taken common as 1. Okay, because once we will open this, we will get this one, 3 2 ja 6, 6x square, 3 multiplied by 5 15, and x 15x, 1 multiplied by 2x we will get 2x, and 1 multiplied by 5 we will get 5. Okay, so we will get 2x plus 5, and we will get 3x plus 1, 3x plus 1. Okay, so by this we can find it out, 2 zeros. Okay, because 2 zeros are there, because it is a quadratic polynomial, the highest degree is 2, it means we will get 2 zeros of the given polynomial. Okay, means 2x plus 5 is equals to 0, so we will get x is equals to minus 5 upon 2. This is the first one, and 3x plus 1 is equals to 0, means x is equals to minus 1 upon 3. This is the another one, means we can put these two values, okay, so the given equation will become 0. The given equation will become 0. Okay, how many zeros are there of the given polynomial? How we can find it out? We will check it out, the highest degree. If the highest degree is 3, so we can get 3, we will get 3 zeros of the given polynomial. If the highest degree is 4, we will get the 4 zeros of the given polynomial. Okay, if the highest degree is 1, so there is only 1, okay, zeros of the given polynomial. Okay, I hope so you guys understood. Okay, I have explained each and every concept regarding this particular chapter. Okay, nothing is left now. These are some algebraic identities, okay, you guys already know. So just remember each and everything, okay, that x plus y is equals to 2. Okay, x plus y ka whole square is known as x square plus y square plus 2xy. Okay, if there is minus sign, means x minus y ka whole square is x square plus y square minus 2xy. Okay, a and b is given, so you guys can do it out. Okay. Or a square minus b square is there, so you know that a square minus b square is equals to a plus b, a minus b. Okay, so these are the identities you guys have to remember. You have to use these identities in the questions. Okay, I hope so you guys understood that how we have explained. I hope so you guys understood each and every concept. Okay, this is the only concept you will use in this particular chapter. Okay, now further we will do the exercises. Okay, please do like and subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Have a wonderful day ahead, guys. Bye bye, take care, bye bye.